So we are recording, getting your consent to be recorded. So I will take a screenshot. Screenshot ng ating classroom. Oh. Okay. Lighting. Okay. So attendance recorded. Close this one. Okay, so please confirm if the PowerPoint is visible. Kita ba?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay. The topic now, ganun pa rin continuation ng ating lesson last night. Today, we are going to prepare the income statement. And these are the learning competencies. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to do the following. So yesterday we talked about the different last week we talked about the different revenue. We're able to discuss the different revenue, and yesterday we're able to do number 2, identify the different costs, the different expenses, and we're able to describe each item in connection to a business. And for number 3 today, we're going to prepare an SCI or Statement of Comprehensive Income for a service-based business using the single-step approach. So once again, pag sinabi natin single-step approach, that is simple format that is being used by a service-type company or service-type business. Yung kahapon, di ba? With the syllabus, we are now in number 2. Kahapon kasi, we were able to identify the different costs like the direct cost, the raw materials, the factory overhead, direct labor, direct materials, the opportunity cost, sunk cost, mga cost of goods sold. So yung mga na-discuss natin, and also the different expenses sa isang business, no? I gave several types like the salary expense, advertising, the benefits, yung mga insurance, diba? Depreciation, utilities, bill allowance, employee benefits, bonuses, 13-month pay. Yun ang mga normal expenses in one company, in one business. Kaya ito mga na-discuss kahapon. No? So, given the different types of cost or revenue and expenses, we will now prepare to do or to prepare the Statement of Comprehensive Income, or simply means the income statement in ating target for the day. No? So, be careful na hindi lahat ng item na makikita nyo ay expenses. No? For example, pag may nakita kang prepaid rent, akala mo rent. Yung pala, asset siya. No? You saw a prepaid expense, that is not an expense, that is an asset kasi prepaid siya. Paid in advance. Prepaid insurance is not an expense, that is an asset. The same thing, pag may nakita kang accrued revenue, that is not a revenue. Okay? Those are mga unearned revenue kasi. May mga unearned revenue kasi. Example, unearned revenue, that is not a revenue. Kasi unearned. Those are payables of the company. Okay? So pag may nakita ang equipment, hindi sa expense. Kasi ang expense, guys, expense should be small in amount or routine. Yung mga malalaking amount na binabayaran natin, those are not routine, bihira lang sa mangyari, no? Pag yan ay mga one-time big amount, normally hindi sa expense, those are asset of the company. Example, you purchase of materials is not an expense. Purchase of land is not an expense. Those are asset of the company. May expense naman hindi binabayaran ng company. Example, depreciation expense. It's an expense. That is an expense. But that is not being paid by the company. Kasi ang depreciation expense, ito yung pag-decline ng value ng isang fixed asset like building, machinery, and equipment. So, although nag-depreciate siya, hindi siya binabayaran. Those are just deductions of value ng isang property or equipment, specifically mga fixed asset ng company. Okay? So, hindi lahat ay sinasama natin sa SCI kasi yung iba dun ay sinasama natin sa statement of financial position or the balance sheet. I have here a sample. No? This is an example of a single step format ng isang income statement. No? Single step kasi yung kanyang revenue ay mag-isa lang. No? At ang kanyang expenses ay related sa isang service-based business. Ang single step ay wala kang makikitang cost of goods sold kasi ang isang service-based business wala siyang cost of goods sold. Pag sinabi kasi ang cost of goods sold, ito yung puhunan mo doon sa mga mga products na yung ginagawa. Ang service type, wala siyang product na ginagawa. So pag manufacturing palang business, hindi na single step yung ating gagamitin but the multiple steps. So ang cost of goods sold, guys, ay ginagamit natin pag ang business ay manufacturing. Kasi we are manufacturing something. Kaya meron tayong mga cost like the direct labor, the direct materials, and the factory overhead. So sa inyong activity ngayon, ganito yung format inyong gagamitin. Okay? Very simple. Pag may dadagdag na revenue, so ganun dadagdag nyo lang sa ilalim, no? Yung revenue. Example, meron kang revenue for guest, no? So meron ka pang ibang income, idadagdag mo lang sa ilalim. Yung other income, for example, interest income. Tapos meron kang total income, total revenue. Then after the total revenue, ibabawas mo na lahat ng expenses. Utilities, maintenance, depreciation, wages, legal fees, advertising. Pag tinautal mo yan, ang tawag natin dyan ay total expenses or operating expenses. Tulad din dito, no? Tinototal natin ng mga expenses para masabi natin yung total operating expenses. Then binabawas natin yung revenue minus the total operating expenses and we will have the operating income or the net income of the company. So, ganun din dito, di ba? Pag marami kang revenue, so we call that the total revenue. Then you deduct all the expenses or the total expenses. In minus that 2, that is 92,600 minus 40. Meron kang net income before taxes. Okay? Now, pag hindi naman given yung tax, so net income before tax. Pero pag given yung tax, pag may binigay na data about tax, example, 5%, that is the time that meron kang tax rate. Then deduct the net income after tax. Pero pag walang tax, hanggang dito ka lang. Net income before tax or operating income before tax. Kasi di pa natin binabawasan ng tax ang isang income. So yun ang format. Basically, ganito ang format, no? Isang single step. Pag maraming revenue, magdadagdag ka lang sa ilalim so that you will get the total revenue. Right? And ito yung data. This is the sample. You can Take a screenshot of the sample. 1, 2, 3. Meron bang nadagdag? Wala naman. Wala. Okay. Si ano pala? Gusto ko yung attendance ko. Gusto ko yung attendance. Okay, so I'm going to present the activity for today. Okay, so tandaan nyo ito kayo dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Si Vert, si Fatima, si Kal-El, si Kaylin. Lista nyo set A kayo. Vert, Fatima, Kal-El, and Kaylin, Kesha. Set A. Then Misha, Luis, and Kirby. Set B. Okay? Lista ko muna si Kirby. Attendance. Okay. You can do this pag 1/2. Parang kulang yung 1/2. So, pwede namang hindi pwede namang hindi siya yellow pad eh. If you have ibang paper dyan, nakakasya. Or yellow pad basta, or one whole yellow pad. Pwede to, no? Don't forget to write your name. And the subject today in July 24. And I'm going to present the activity per set, no? Per set. So write your set number, your set letter at the upper right of your paper. Then you encircle your set letter, no? Set A or B. Okay. So if you're now ready, so I will now share the activity for set A.
Aray mo.
Set A. Para yung nilagay ko. Basta this one is for set A. Yung mga set A dyan, si Berg, Fatima, Kal-El, Kesha, set A. So picturean nyo to using the format na pinakita ko kanina. Okay, so if you are done, I will now share the one for set B. Okay. This one is for set B. Okay, set A and set B. So take a photo of your set. So you have the instruction, prepare an income statement for service business for 2023 using single step approach. To maintain 3 lines for the heading, di ba? Di ba ang first line ng heading natin, the name of your business, service-based business. No? So gamitin yung pangalan nyo as your service-based business. Then second line, you have the title of the report, Statement of Comprehensive Income. That is for second line. No? And for the third line, you have the date for the year ended December 31, 2024 or 2023. And after the heading, yung format na binigay ko kanina, the single step format, yun ang inyong gagamitin. Okay, so once again, not all the data here will be used sa inyong SCI. So the same thing for your set A, not all the data will be used. So pili mo dyan yung mga item for income statement lang. Okay, you need something, you have questions? I'm going to Proctor here. Dito lang ako. Maybe you have questions, so I will stay here. So just, if you are done guys, just take a photo of your paper then send to me sa messenger na lang.